How Planet 9 was ejected from the Solar System. Planet 9 was forcibly ejected out of the Solar System by Saturn or Jupiter. Planet 9 is a theoretical world lurking in the darkness of space in the far fringes of the Solar System. Beyond the so-called Kuiper Belt, an asteroid belt past the orbit of Neptune. An object 10 times the mass of Earth exists beyond the Kuiper Belt because of the way certain asteroids appear to clump together. The astronomy professor at Caltech has now said he is fairly certain of the planet's origin, stating it formed alongside the icy world of Neptune. However, unlike Neptune, Planet 9 was not afforded the luxury of staying within the boundaries of the Solar System. Planet 9 formed at the same time alongside Uranus and Neptune, but then got a little bit too close to Saturn or a little too close to Jupiter and got ejected out to the outskirts of the Solar System. Planet 9 follows an elliptic orbit of the Sun, coming at times close to the Kuiper Belt. The rogue planet orbits the Sun from a distance between 100,000 AU and 200,000 AU, where just 1 AU or astronomical unit measures 93 million miles, 149.6 million kilometers. When Planet 9 comes closer to the Solar System, its gravitational effects influence the asteroids and dwarf planets in the Kuiper Belt. Planet 9 takes somewhere between 10,000 and 20,000 years to circle the Sun. Astronomers said, "It's really far away, so it's not particularly bright, but it's bright enough that we should be able to go find it." The big telescopes of the world are the ones that we're going to be using to do it, and our favorite telescope for the task is the Super Telescope on top of Mauna Kea on the big island of Hawaii. It's the biggest telescope in the world that has a really wide field of view camera, and that's the way to do it.
Now, I have to confess that despite all the hard work that we have done so far, we have not yet found Planet 9. I probably wouldn't be here if I had discovered it. But we did find at least one interesting object that is rare, and you look at this picture, it's insignificant. It's that little dot. Of course, it doesn't come with the arrow. It's that little dot that we discovered. It looks like nothing. But this turns out to be a distant dwarf planet that we discovered. It's just like Pluto. It's way out there. It's slightly smaller than Pluto. But this is the technology that we have. We can see these things out to very large distances. Now, we've done a lot of follow-up work on this and try to identify its nature. We now know that it has an orbit that looks like that, in comparison to the orbit of Neptune, and you can see how the dots move across 3 different nights. Again, it's insignificant, but computers are able to detect this. Now, this name DD comes from distant dwarf. It's an acronym for distant dwarf, and we put in the vowels in between. We now know that it has a size of about 600 kilometers. It's a little bigger than Pennsylvania. But this thing currently sits at 92 astronomical units. You have this ball of rock that is roughly as big as Pennsylvania, 92 astronomical units, and we are capable of detecting it.
Planet 9 is mathematical and could explain the unique orbit of at least 5 smaller objects in the outer Kuiper Belt. As of January 2019, no observation of Planet 9 has been announced. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, hit the like button. And please subscribe for more videos.